Mommy Mompae. Young Gopo Yada was sick. One Dominic Bobro, where you may be a chairma, or Samuel Brim. And the Monam County Sabra to say. So we be a win 7 no Kurano at the train. The Shrawan Dominic Mobro who said, Sabra, you are one some fun for the mobile corner, a bit Kakoma. Wouldn't you should be sent Toma by being sacred? Radio Bianco Wanko to Jim, the son of Cassandra Yanka. Bianco for me so, I never could go to Riasa. Yeah, you need how can see what we bring and your warrison. In Nubone, at least he can libre. She can libre to a binum, and Nura would want your postman who was up. A ruddy. And you also saw animal bosses, some baby back also man would keep. Who can was send you a Deuteronomy? Chapter 11, verse 16 and 17. Was this one mind about some of some lesson? What better than no money if you young Coponcha? What was you should? Until you soon toss at the house at top. The man who died who try a mania post assassination. The stress of bed telling me penny physical, Why am ranting when we are now for suppose? Roddy, there also be a soon born me. Said the Nipa beating no go with the Paviamuno. Mr. Roddy, many party, many panyansa, many panfire will carry with Nante, and the Boniti Nipa Bogaman. Nipa Jessica Charionco, and Charionco Nam, and so Crawford couldn't Crawford. Roddy, I go for the show. Many party almost no one will ever put the away. Sunday, when we move over Cocoy. And they toss me and Sanya Warrison. I want a giant cosso. A Roddy Bompire Slaughter. A Mattia Power, no one knew who him dearly be a woman. No man father said, Jamani or Nama Cornotti. Ye will have him. China, Nasa. Because when they are such a cashier to her, and I was safe for. And then penetrate for. It is from a Nippon Hunsa. No one number we used in China, none of them to you. Our sainty and Kola are done in Quanchen and therefore. Where were children? All also stood their non and Quanchet or political mass. Our Saya Manipa are say that they may be so common subject. Nippon TV and Tia, what the farmers said 2 years. We say you may sir. What to move come from a corner, a bad castle. Will be around and near maybe I'll call you if I were real. When I'm one of those 2 year money. Be any penny man also. Who was a son of more to the new Jim? Who will the also? But I was so dear. On top of yes, Jimunti. Amen. You are someone who better you. I severed that person. Said the reason our entire and our entire caution. Young King was a man for young to the da. Nipper common some gem. Our sire, Edward common some gem. What would toss the woman Corinsa and sat Edward common Muku. Nipper who call saying because of our sire. Majami kum, me ko wan foforo na me right say be fabie say de me amepe if is aban mrantia judge for the magistrate for be at the court ahodo gwaware obunim nyankopon so say fa ho ya de trust am no be to be na titie ne ye na saade na wote ho ya tudi say aware no so wodim ho nim dia pa ya sofo konkono mo nkyere wade because what really about our real out who knows let you coach him. I am fast over here. Our real shoe, said our real shoe is it. If you want job, Emma, who worry no, buy a brim and I said, a branch or bow one or branch brim. What Jana Kofako for? Yet the Bible that to be a natural. My Bible man, the piano so be. In passion, I kept free again. My trust of no Mary. You are 70 years. ye di ka pesa wo ti ase ese onyankopon wo ye oba ho ade so be wan no nyankopon tumi be giram finfini ye dansefo ti asem ni yo ena so wa yisese ya wo ye ya wo de tu wiase se ni pamfa so norin sasa so ma eni aware nti obi bia obekomo a obetry se nyankopon se ta ho won fa ni adwuma wo be no ade na dream abetutu ho no o wa mane da che malaki timi mu tie nyankopon ta wari gu me pesa me bia no shase tro ade nyankopon ta no wo de wo se wo pedia ko so ye la wiye ya no ne asam enye na asam di asam ni yo akanfo bu baby na sa bela bayisam tu pa mu bi da wo si usura wari jaya wunya wari pa admisa sa be bu we e support sa ni patini jana yire ben tini jana yire oba so tini jana ku because of so power repanti akanfa mamre no wo so wuja wari usura wari say wunya wari pa enti never be bu we nti awari say koso a demonic problem. What does it mean? A body of the Abua and a Kutian and Copossum. A dear young Coposso time. I can't find my mercy. Yet, the never be a quiet mind. What was soon be woman? Susan Phoebe, as you say, woman. Adam Thousand can't be about no TV, a woman of the woo. What was about the cassette? TV didn't never be. Our say the people come some gym. I beg will be any publish of food to the cultural side. Who saw what the day I would now want? That Mrs. I beg one son common. A chat any amassing dear sea. Now, what for me? What a dim some dear chick. No, what you move. Oh, Madame Phobia, the walk of into the hour. So I won't be out of walk of bottle. Kadi awari no yeko wusu tie onisem ando apu yankopon sama to ntai awurade beba beto hodako na watem wo be hwase asase we so sane ko pie wiase no a mala kitim yemu piasani ade akutia Ghana omanum problems ekoso e for kese de awari se ebura bai ahode so twankola street children nkola nanam nkwanchan mi kosu bi mu mi analysis bi baby hu say mi yenhwehwe mu bi tron na mi say enkola o ma bon baako enkola o ma bon enkola sabi o mu ni o mu huni enkola wo mu tiri wo mu enkola o mu suku ntade de o mu suku huni ma tai wo bedue mu no na ne maame no papa oba jawa wo pa de mi kan for the to from construction ho duom kokoye sa research ne ha de awadai hey awade the double ko good gem because of divorce I want you to say me ana me call na me wo say me wo kwa say me tai e tumi e gina ntamu a e di adanse ese ma ware e bra ya wo ho de no panyufo abusia mi enu be hia e na ya wo ho de no na tumi we gina ho e di adanse Malaki chapter 2. The block says, who never must have the open iron. Yankopon shall be up to John. Who casts the old person the open and may know. Radimia when you remember what it. When you know who so. So I go back. No go follow. To your son, you what God has put together, let no man. And you being the man, you are putting asunder. Who was some papa? Who was some of some John Yankupo Diabomo, Matthew chapter 19, verse 6. Dear Yankupo Diabomo, Mao Nipan Titiri, Mao Nipa, to what Chayama magistrate, and the next table so fine, I'm a Wadina Gu. What's what the name command? Who Diago? Send such Nipa Waria. Asababadabio. Odansi fo bijiran tamu waseme taya warigo na na diwa wari an ho danse mo di apam na mo di nkomo se na wari obedona na Nyankopɔ gina fifini Malachi chapter 2 verse 14 Bible ninti quotations ahodo bi wo ho me am de bema wa mo wa kenkan fi wo Bible mu wa awu se sa de we se nkola asem a Israel me se wani mra ho so okay Malachi chapter 2 verse 14 o se 14 bi ho o se fisa awurade aye woni wo mra nte bremu ayire entam dansini ya kenka dia kan soso awurade sa point na bezo tiase awurade onyankopon ya busha panini wo mra nte bremu yire that means you first wife oba wudi kaware no mamia bema wudi kaware no se wo ngui no tiase na sa awarija ya ba hey mame ade two options ade anware biem so ba ware dia go back sako na no mra nti bremu kum e no mra nti bremu yire no unsan konkotna that will solve the problem for you anya so was some that verse 16 be chira wade bi you be go first Corinthians see a chira wade bi the Malachi chapter 2 verse 14 on the kai no e ho fa bi verse 16 ho na sabe do koba bunu no ni ba ho so wate sa yankopon hyehyɛ a marriage institution ya wodi ti agrosa no asa wo ye ne sabe wa wo pɛ no wo temo da che because ko Hebrews chapter 13 verse 4 a was in yamanfo ene aware sayfo de onyankopon be bu na kyɛn waja wo yire baba tumi ejina wo ne wo yire ntam edi mu ntam adanhyem what po yire no oba bi hwe de bama ne nsa kom no ai ha besra ya mesara wani mra hoso ya wo keka ko nsa mane hunu krom na akron wodim say according to 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 9 our side for kom nsa bi dem de wodim sa anza ko ware be ma hofo they can get quotations no ko follow the quotations and kasa ye de ya sore de ye ntirɛtirɛ ntesa wa sore ni ba brum wa sore no eni ba brum ye ni Methodist and Pentecost and a deeper life and Anglican e wo ba brum o de nyame asaba kan is a standard. It's a standard. Tene wa sore asem na mbeka de nyankopo asema kan ti babu mi biema biemu bi hwɛ awurade hu ni pama bo verse 16 Malachi chapter 2 verse 16 problem e koso Ghana ya bura bai so sha kokko ti ko he aware sama ho do koso ti ba mo de ware ye no e de sa ko wie court ana charge for nsem no ana ICC for nsem no awurade be ba be tu ni pa ha sha ayinfu bi so yire no miensa nan ai uko di Deuteronomy 17 wose awurade tu asase no so a ohini bia na oyire no mo so David nom egosi sa bi pe o ba wie ye de ke ko wie o mo pe Solomon aware di tonti afedi nyansa odi si aso dan no di sisi abosom dan obi se Abraham ware dodo wonim se Genesis 25 wo pamo ke tuane ne mba e ko he wo ba ware Sarah wo ti ase Sarah ya na wo ma ware dodo na Old Testament wo ware ye do ya musa wo se ko wie o mo san na wo ko tu babu we ware dodo we ware dodo we ware dodo they can come about tie nhye ni Yesu ka kire Pharisee for say mon ken kan ntura wo nhye babu no you don't read wo se titi ase no oba ne bema e no Nyankopon bo wo bema fin pade one Nyankopon yiri ya oba papa de me kan wo de pass sa dodo a wo pe so a wo ko sia temu akonya bi dako ana wo ba so ko ware a wo se bema na ware o yiri o ne to ti tinta fa be to aso o de o tena ho Israel me sa ba fakin anumre ya to na mo bi fra ware na se wa second wife no na first wife no try baby ha Malachi chapter 2 verse 16 was it here was it me was it na me time our regu me time I hate divorce me tayo me tawa de go What go out there also perhaps yako. You are the whom of man what? Me and go from me tiny our go. Here. Chapter 16, chapter 2, verse 16. Malachi chapter 2, verse 16. Na me tiny our go. I will Israel Yankupon and was here. Ya sorry be and that's here. Yes, of be and that's here. I will Israel Yankupon. Yako Kufra and Antonia my Yankupon. And ya Konedi and Achira my Yankupon. When Yankupon 2 for both on us, I say, oh, Sisawa, and that's here. I hate divorce. I dare Yankupon so time for the dear chair. A summer name by his only one. Call the Yadu Krampa. To assembly, me a running a coupon. And I see here. Was it not there? What did Monsieur? I can't about the show. As a for one day, and I see. And the Muya Moho. Now, man, Chanko Tompo. Me time our go. Me time our go. The 1 Corinthians chapter 7. Koronto fongu medikai. Media no kwa na beka kire opa no afa. Me wia ma wia. Opa fa. Wo aso anu atie wo ni aso akọ. Na de me kan dache. Se wade busa ho asem obeya no sai. Mami ana papa, mo gwa wade hwede enkola na ye. Ti mu ni ehumobo, hwede enkola na ye. The 1 Corinthians chapter 7. Ya samni me se Bible no bia mu bi o bi Bible ne bonya de to bi bia mu bi ne nyina ye kenkan Yesu ka kire Pharisee for say mun kenkan say fiti ase no. That is the people don't read, people don't study the Bible. That's the more reason why they do things themselves. What more catch up no ma dwini no mo nante no mo ye de o mo ape that no ko dina ko na bia ni ko bua konta Koronto fongu medikai etim so Mudu, we are the whole of 1 Corinthians chapter 7. We are the blended Chiamame. The American Kenkai. Koronto Fongu Medica Tinson. Mudu. Was in a 1 hour warrior no dear. 1 hour warrior no dear. Miss Shawamo and Yame. Nemum a Yawade. Tenio. Yes, of Paul. And your apostle Paul. And you're set free directly from God. Eya wade wona wa ware no enti mrata ware ho wuntimi follow mra na nkware trababi simple wuntimi follow mra no a ti say da ho wuntimi be tra ware ase nyeke wa ope oba ho bra se so de na bi kire wukuru no ha hanka ni dwe ka no sam na ba ho e bra no ma me kwara matie si ho ti asam ni yo ye ku ware e mara ye ja Bebre who are Mukunum's house boys, so they can talk to them anyhow. Ephesians chapter 5, verse 22. Oba was Oba, but I want to know said you were tell you, and in a way, when you call the Bearman, as what the Bearman is in the name. So, yes, you catch a koto, now the koto they are. Who could you ever come or catch a koto also koto? But I want to know said you were the man on not just like Bema became a Kuna Kansia or back to me go to the level so to hold you Bema for a jacket. So you can't do that. See, I said, you level again was what Bema near Busheti, tell you. Because you will be able to show the way our baby Titiniku. Jawariano, and you not know was a baby for. Ha! Our didn't know no good was it by four. To be chief of Kuruso, a dive back on who could then go for Bema for them. Mamma, ha, so could tell rather woman you can't do that. When you hear that, yes, was in Yaman 4, Hebrews chapter 13, verse 4, was in Yaman 4, what a sign for day, when Yanko will be poor that time. Who are some more, who are 10 will be that, 2 Yabia be very careful. But I want some who said you were a copy pass off a chow, and learn something me parts. What I could order. Mr. Kawari, correct. bebrani di wiase nim dia ese de mema tini ye ne maso tini ye enja ba kwa sase ye nyina ye pede tia ware edum. I'm telling you, there is a distinction, difference room. Oba wani monyam nuku enti woni kuna wani monyam nwie pen enti hweye se wanya ware de bia ware a ade adu ani monyam bra wani ukunu te hwe ukunu yie na wani monyam abright ujojo ukuna wani monyam na wo se no oba treat the bema oda de baba how the kai quotation at Ephesians 5 verse 22 down bema so de no do so be do no ira hwe no kama wo ko fa oba no na sabi wo mfon ne ho sisi ho so kama oba de betara wo nche atete ne jojo nti bema kwabra ne wo yiri gina ho na de wo mpana na wo yiri na bisu akowura de na oba ne ti nsuo no wo dwene bema wo asem wo daache wo asem wo wurade anim ya office akosu akwatire nti woni munyansa bro wo yiri de bo a bisu ti be call them bi ti be bo wo mo says people are doing things anyhow as a shame now ti emra me be ka tro no to yelo ti mi ware you to maburu na mbawura ware mu no wo hwe na wo nya ne oba no ho ade na ho hye na ba ho wo yelo ntimi abema tro ba ni simple so when na sa kono boni Bible says Jamamonti 1 Corinthians 7 ho no wo say Jamamonti na wo yere ti so ina Jamamo so hawa ware oba no ho ade yam panatre me be bam panatre no so ko fo bi ni ma bi te o mun tria agutira de se me yere wo go fa o ema ha ya na me bi ni sama me ti asem ni because do baby a wo sponsors kura wunya te no krensham bi o so do tudwa no untimi fa tudwa Ghana fo bi ti mo den o sikabe so sone ma bi so but o be trans studio so wo kanyam sam dia tudwa ma do matia wunya boafo mbisa ruade wodi mo bi a se to be se tua obi aka se ne nimate la sama e kan yo ko to fo mo medical tin so hwenche mudu wo se na wona waware no die mi so wo mo enyame na mo eya o sha unti mi kasa me pa unti mi kasa me right unti mi kasa me na me de me ho fine se de obetima de ho agya akọ na temu jale pa atemu jale sasya so wa so dem we jawari akofa be ma foforo ana oba foforo hey o wa sam so se no na ope o pa o be jai nti wa ope nti wa jai wa akofa foforo emran na me ke ka tro me sewo mo enyame o nyame po nyame apostle ne nipa ne mo ya wuade tie so oba nya ni ku hey, oba bi aja ni kunu. Oba bi aja ni kunu. Wodi akwata, wodi nsano. Wodi hwan wase me de nsa koma no. Mame. Na busa panyi so also di nsa de kwa wo asempa. Let no man. E ma woni pa bi antitim. Wodi watima sinkiti busa panyi ni. Mame ai, wasa fiante mame ba panyi ni. Aso saware no musa agin sande akoma be ma ne se. Akosi ana bana jaware no. Mame, what do you want? Chman so wrong. A catako, one full of my 3 ones are who could not be a Sha or by Yanikum command was a your soul. So you go warrior. I was our day hole. Now go for some tower to go because original warrior when you are dancing. Intimate ties over Jaukum and now be Jaw here. That's it, nipa bread that's it, nipa be bread that's it, papa. When say why afa ne ho adi okọ, why free okọ. Sunsun bi edi wachi. Ah no. Esranya me say wani mie. Hey, Awurade. So, wo say e yo say Awurade na say, wo ba nya di kum. Neso tio, verse 11, 1 Corinthians 7. Maka verse 10 na wi. Mram no verse 11. Wo say no so ojano a. Onware bio simple. Bible no pebi de me kai di o de mu. Wo jano sa kofia amaya. Anchiwa duowa e jani kunu no onware bio on trans. Ozo waja ukura kofa be ma fofo. Mame. Ozo waja brama no. Ya o mre ti bremu kunu. won eno ne ware o once we ja na ko fa be ma fofo wo wasem da che na ko po heda no nkun wo no wo twɛn sɛ wo ba be tie nsɛm bi sɛ yi ti sɛ wo ya kiri no so se still a wo be ja ya eh ma me wo asɛm ko pia konya bi anim da che wo be yi ono sɛn oso wo ja be ma no dia fine wo de oso de ne nsa kɔma no fine wo se ware bi mu ti asɛm ni yo maybe I almost said, 1 Corinthians 7, verse 3 to 5. Was so about our young pomo and found Kamuku, the Casa our for it, Masi, a higher crown. Because some money be done for him, Panoso, had done it as human lesson, Oscar de la Hoya. Ntokwa or bad in who come in. Ha! Also, when the baby said, Yabonio, I command. Bible says, you have the command. Bible says, Kuntokwa, a yourself. What church on Yamano was so bam found Kamuku. Correct. Number appear to be Abaswa. As you sabinum, Bamana Maco, to that day, no. That day, not here. Coming Kwa. In Makai, in a high, and a Bawa Warren Bama Warwo. When the Bama is here, this old Jimska. This old Jim Bama is go. Suba Bonnie number 1. I will get about. That's how you know no more. Also, I saw for the Brentanka. Saday and yes, and Pacafui. You have blown from Manaton for the memoir. Wouldn't you? What for the Yabe and Yabone? Bama so Obama be should the whole community. I tell you, Corona. Bama Sherry, what a team mamma, she come now, mountain. None of you on the common 10. Ne common 10 of women, the pony. Ha! Dear, 1 Corinthians 17, I drew as 11. Last time I saw by Yaku. Where you are safe for Rabbi, yes, of Ubiasama. Was in a Saudi and Waribium, and so on so forth. As what you saw there before, Yahu took John Radio. Mammy, ever when you are also that here. What's so class for you? Convoke reality and I will blame you. Kofona bonte boy Jamaya, oh, I would be almost covering something. Who's what you are going to the same skin. What's in a so Jano? What's it in China? Jano, dear, and what if you? What's your answer? So, what if you would have a baboon? 1 Corinthians 7, there's 11 in this one. Was it said? What was so what dear? Was your answer? What was so what dear? Was it on sign? I didn't come. You have to go back to your old husband. Wukuru and now we know Mrat Bremu, Mrat said your man like a kikayan. Yeah, we are teaching them dear dancing, or first wife, or first husband. Go back. The cocoa water. Yes, I was some natural, but I make out one man called Opa Faumpa, who are shown what Unia so called. Now that's what it comes to. Obacas a catch now. A double couple of some gem, Henham's house to say when you. No, couldn't see Yan and Yan to say, oh, the Baba wouldn't be quite so down here. The tire where you go. Jawarena, my nose, I can. Papa Warena was I can go by. Or don't be also in the beach now here. Not so called. Why is as a man you can't eat outside? Now we know you will fear and Colana come. We a wicked man. A rather Baba to her. Tibirum se o ma ja o ma yirum ti enkwala no so o ma ja o ma bo ma no so ha wa ma papa wo tie me ti o enkwala na ba wi ase no ya wo ja wo ma bo ba no so no e na ma wari ja enti no wo wa nu yi wo won sam o be ya no wo yesu ni ndako e sre nya me se wo mu o se so ba bo ni we wo ti mi ko to wo de ko de wo ten kan o enkwala no ko de wo de ahora wo nte wo hira wa war na ye no ho de kom a wo nte ti kom nkuno we you know na so da bo mpa yo ya ka 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 6 to 7 tie wo se mema mo ne mo yire no ntena nimdie mu saa oba mo yire no ntena nimdie it takes knowledge nimdie ne de ware yo papa adwene ye mu di nimdie e de ware ti ade wo nim ho nimdie a enko ho wase mema mo ne mo yire no ntena nimdie mu saa na oba nimdie mu saa se obi de ade ma no se fa de saa o so hunu de nti o kan saa o fa de saa that means emma me de ye bi ni sinto bi wo mu from Genesis chapter 3 oba dam for pa na wo nti obuta tia bon tele so nsam esin ke nyame mpaka de na dam fu bi ke kachira no enti na normally a wade go bebre ho am na mo mare line so study ya na anamona wutuo no bi da akyerɛ ase Bible to say it takes knowledge the knowledgeable man who will be on the yira tena che no ma tena fi omra jebre no maya brem no ma bon kokora papa no wonim dia kese pa yes I will make down here no one time papa na primo gi to adi here bia na you can do better me jawo here no ene da ko be ja be se tan ko nim dia ne de ware ti meme 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 6 and 7 was a money man on training the Musa. Na Obano or any idea ne honya din sinto. I just say, Bema on fin padia baby back open the idea of Banabrew. Jozo who say, will never no and to Obano to that. Tino was a ban brennan once now. To Obano yet moja drubia one of my tone, I said the Beman so that we are Beman Kuna dear. Obano has to humble herself to the man. That's the scriptural injunction on your media person. Your lawyer, and your degree, and your secret alcohol, and your political position. Now they don't worry more. We not power in the calm down. You political seven change. Now you are his somewhere, him as something at the good change. A power remo or bar from something possible. 20 minutes be your him, be an MP, be a minister, to some short country will be crucial. We are shy, money. That's what the people shall call them. The Bible says, "Remember when you don't send him the Musa to a barney at the other when you're doing." Now, money, so we here. I'm not coming in. Can you hear? As something out there, can you hear? So we here because according to Genesis chapter 2, Bible says, "You go for man now to Adam." So Genesis chapter 2 verse 22 down. Onyankopon man na ho to Adam so ade nyankopon yi Adam fe mpade ba ko tie me be ka oba ho ade ya akyerew sofo boni bi te wo se Adam wari yifo anya ne ho ade onyame ko betima ko tikle fofo e de aye oba fofo abre Adam e so kifi Adam ho ansa ti be na oba wari a wo se bibi tu ho ko oba no ti asami yo so bo ho ka na de akoye ne ho ade no na be baka ti nyankopon kifi Adam mfim asofo fubi awade hu ni papopo ha ti nyankopon no na nwene ifo ano de ne bre Adam o nyankopon na kam oba no ano de ne bre Adam ti oba no ye pade de ma wo be ma no tu de wo de treat ne ene house de wo pe awade be ba to ho dako obi ade ode abeja wo ade ode abeja wo no wo de hwani ye na fa wadwene ne wo hwan gina bia wo e fa ye ho ne ma sa de wa wo pe no ukosia konwa na obehu ko hwede asofo bi dum ene tuma asore dwuma efo bi dum de ye omo yire num ko hwede microphone pa yimfo bi e ma no susu bi asofo ma befo bi enso de ye omo kunu no mo bi si house awurade e fa de sa mra bi ana ho nipa be kwa ko sia awurade dako ko se ka ma wo no yire ntra nim biem sa 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 6 and 7 wo de ntra nim biem sa no oba ne ade a ne ho nya dum na munni wo munni na mo mpai bo kwan ansi be ma tio so yire na ma wo mpai bo ti mako on so ba so be ya consider na wo prayer according to 1 Peter 3 ho verse 6 and 7 ho afa bo mpai nko da because quite our do it fast dangerous. So for your daughter, you will fear what typically what I saw them yes, I was a few. And member require minimum so. Which I saw them rubber put diagram, member better fear the jaded. One control for your year. As some can set down, no, you didn't tell me. Why wasn't you some funny morning channel? Who better tell make your journal, may yam on one at the cop, or no jam a cordia, and then no class of the water. Why the catch all? The minimum have been out of your water. Paibo and local. King Kadia, be a trouble, Babu no more, making King Kaho. Ma memra me fasa afa kakra we so mra fom na me nkyerɛw aware no de efre na aware susune da aware ne mpanache ntem ukɔ Hebrews chapter 13 verse 4 hɔ no a wɔse aware sɛefo ɛne adwamanfo de nyankopɔ bebu ona ten tin susune da aware sɛ ɛne adwaman ntem susune da aware ɛne mpanache ntem de na man susune de beto hɔ. Let's go back to the Bible, Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 28. The assembly and the catch was at the Bible will be Deuteronomy chapter 22, verse 28. Our dear enemy penetration, so never them. So never them. Deuteronomy chapter 22, verse 28. Or say, so very be who abofra. Why your Bible one fathom our rear. Now our children in the down. No who. And your Baramana, our no, a diano. Emma baba no ja dite nyetebena aduonum na onye ne yire se obra na sieti na onkono tie okutia wade jan empam sa oba no enkono enyano ebra bayin ninna nyina so far so trasia ejibema wakofa oba bi upese ode ne ware kotua de trinsan kotua de trade ema abusuafo kotua de trade o ke Exodus 22 Exodus chapter 22 verse 16 Exodus 22 verse 16 Denja manya bre so no Ghana awori jaye koso ha nipa bebre no fa majai yen pede na ye ha wo so fa hodi wo kogem ate wo kogem Exodus did a many brilliant way. As of one bebrenka, as I'm back for your family tour, me and come was ever many penny and almost one. A double couple some gym, a number warrior, a dose of Crawford, or one of my peters couple some gym. Exodus 22, chapter 16 and 17. What is so be? Echo down about Ababa. 1 year, our dear, and no da. Was a quite bad lie. Oh, Medina Casa, what you say? Fine. Oh, could that down? Why the lie? What you say? Fine. You're ready home. What's it? Manuma, a trabi. No, warrior. When you find a warrior, who can't trabi, a son of a warrior. That's the difference between them, Pratry and your warrior. And your man for the warrior say 40. Obo, Unyanko Bebuna tell. And Pratry, who could Genesis chapter 24. Isaac, Abraham uko ware yirama Isaac, Rebecca. What I say? Omuko tira di ansana, omudo ba neba. Uko Ruth chapter 4 verse 10. Ehwa. Ruth Boaz. Wari Ruth. Wo tira di. Ne mrantia no ko tuo ba bi wo pipe wano a. Ya wase da ka be. Ni akeka pipe no ho na be me fa oba. Ipa bia da ne nkraman. Yesi ya ware. Oba ni bema bi tifie bema ntu atirade bema na fa oba de se ase eyire ama busuafo so eyire esoso empratwe na de to wu awu kogem no kura ne ka cho de oba no afa de ye ka no ti asem ni yo sha yen ko Matthew chapter 19 me be ntu me content sa yes I mean we so de ma wi a kire bia wa asem bi sa fe no ofe na me nyi wa no awari won say papa di agro sa awadi won say na di akola nware o ti asem ni ye animdifo to se won ne ntra nimbie mu ye di nyansa nimbie na ware ti asem ni ye ye di nyansa nimdie wo ye ba ma so be kwa ware mu a nti ne se bompa ebu sa awurade wo mfini ba bi akose no awurade fa wade mrew so wonya wo yire pa na netia wo se awade ye kama se enkamu mu bia wo wiase what you say wo pepe jaman na de ko wura mu ba ma na djuma wo ye na wo hwe na de ko wura mu wo ye ba ma na busu nyi na nantu na de ba ma wo hwe wo ba na to na de ko ware ye ti hwe de awade na ye o na me ho fe wo di mu hu me wo mu hwe onyankopon nim ti asam hwe Proverbs chapter 19 verse 14 me busham ozo se nipa ahunyade ne adan ne japade no eja no ma wunyade na oyiri nimdifo efi awurade enti so be nya oyiri papa na na tena no efi nyankopon efiri abusuafo it takes God why is selection na dia na because what kind of me busham ho etie ya nkono chichemu dum yensa ho wo se oba akwasia yo kasa ni ti ebono konso oni mo he esa mani bi nim nimdie tu ko fa sa mani bi ware a ni ti bo konso oni mo he oni maduane no oni se kesi ye ku ye ne tena chese oni nimdie bia ntia wade do eje sku asam na me ken wo hawo ye wo marriage experience wo ti ye wo marriage counselors sorry ado ko wura ware ha to so iri nimdifo fe wurade so be nya oba papa odi nimdie be boa wo be ma no it takes God. That's the more reason I want, as you're about to enter into marriage, you have to pray well. Because and now the kind of can be a now when China Timu first one called Dinkaka. Yan come ma. Mammy come at your chapter 19. Yan 3 years to Swan Castanuma said. Piasami you. Matthew 19, verse 3. Eko 6 ho. Sabra mo kami yin samnu makuma ko treo. Ube da wari afa hodi ube bre papa uhunto da ozo mpaka da sako wari 1 Corinthians 7 hono we ascend to mu say wo dia so wo oyire wo ye Kristo bi na wo yira na ku na wonyi ni a wo so wo betima ja no nipa de so wo beko tintina wo beja wari wo beja wo so wo de mane nko ye nhyɛ wo so wo saase ni na wa ma wo kwansa ko wari fofo ti asem ni yo ka bansana ma ko Matthew ho ma me ko Mark chapter 10 ma mu jai ware foforo de tie Mark asempati du chechemu du ho ekokosi du mienu wo se no wo fie no Yesu no adi ka kasem bi a kire suafo na wo fie no tio na wo fie no na suafo no ebisa no asem no abio because e kire di padre teachings on marriage no sasa wa hwe ya betere wa dwene verse 11 was no see wo say obia obeja na yire no obe ware foforo no no wasaya wade oba ne fam ti asem no yo wa wo yire waja no akọ ware foforo wasa wade oba ne fam wasa oba ne ba wiase na wade no wasa no wo be man wasa no verse 20 verse 12 was na sa oba no so eja ne kum no ware foforo no wasaya wade. You see the point. Enti wanya kofa DJ wawie asa ye yae tunim sa wodi abekom no sa wo ka hwe a kire wa be ya we nie asem wo ti asem ni pese di pa Matthew chapter 19 ho Ibrahim ben mama kika quotations ni antro Matthew 19 sha wodo oba to wo ye ne wo de mpana na wo twe no wani kaguso a adwaman na wo bo oba usu be ma no to na bra ha na what daje ja ho ma no Abraham no mpa bi akọ we de wi aseko ewu ko na tis ha ma woni na ho yen kasa nware o emra do ehun hyehyɛ no fa ya adwuma because our giant and the people come in some gen e simple ibokwan e sem kola ya e ba no home na breaki tell broki home tie Matthew chapter 19 verse 3 was the Pharisee for no e ba ni nkyɛn be so no hwɛ ayi sa obi wa ho kwan sɛ asɛm bia nti wogya na yeri ana asɛm bia nti wogya na yeri ana ne nkwan nyɛ da wogya na na wonini hu ni a wogya na na the assembia nti ojana na ne hofuno no a oja tesa assembia nti ewe de Yesu kan on be so Yesu ahwe se de wiase ni person Nyankopɔn hwe no onim kan se be oye ne nye so be tie kebe so was it no buya Yesu buya se wo mo se monkin karen you don't read won kai Bible no won shia Bible no ti na we yes have mistakes no monkin karen se e fiti ase no de obo oni pa no Nyankopɔn ho se no waka no obarema ene oba ana oye wo mo monkin karen sa ware ye obema no oba na nye bema ne kraman bema no oba nipa bema ene nipa ba ene ware enye bema ne bema no oba ne ba sodomy lesbianism out from the Bible sanctify the practices ade man ko bu something oba sakra e trawa de bi o mo de no sha be very careful ti asami ye ejika oba Nyankopɔn akutia ekunu mienu bema Nyankopɔn kutia eyirinu mienu tienie wɔsɛm nkinkane sɛ mfiti ase ɔba one ɛne ɔbarima one ɛne Nyankopɔn yɛ wɔ mo Christ is bringing people's mind back to Old Testament Genesis chapter 2 verse 18 down Nyankopɔn hyehyɛ ne yɛde standard ne to ɔba ne bema o ti bema woni kwaso ware ma dodo tiniye wani tinsin nyame ti asem niye ana oba woni kwaso wufuru kurachi enyamanfo ne aware sefo kwabulu nsam gidi ugwa ware mpa hufi wufa nwa wafi ukurachi na mema fofo so bema wona mo yire ti nwa na mema fofo so that's not the standard of the Bible ewurade the Bible we ni musia kami kan ya no odi nipa ko atemu mo ho no Papa, we must say, no one nim way. The swimming go for the catcher. No one nim, you know. No head that yes, I'm a boy. No, I tell you, Jano, you go. The one I did who answer. The one I did who mistake. Papa, what did me, but what did me? Tiawaria, and yet you pan him more. You've been what I can mind. You've been what I'm more. Verse 5. Tell was it Anna or Cassa? Yainti and Wonipa, Babana, Ebeja, and Anna. Now I didn't walk of some near a whole family. Bama Beja, one Cassa, and Roma Meno Papa. Tell it took me a cohe or Massatrim, who be being at a very nice. Who are and set up powerful. If you worry, we are a powerful baby. Dangerous. Do I know any Ephesians chapter 6, verse 1 to 3? Or two Casama warranty, my men, Papa, and Formo. Dangerous. The assembly. You never hear us all present if you didn't tell me. But me just best 4 minutes. But me first some up in just tell me so. Be here better 3 hours. There was handsome way. I'm a independent bomb also. Because the Nipa could gem number warriors. Ghana. As will be a head your pet. As a Mrabian Sabia now. Who runs for the problem? About saying problem. I am fear problem. Who goes to my warrior problem? Ha! Kebe 5. Tie. Was it now? Or Cassa? Yankee, I know Bama Beja a Jamian now. That will be fair bush your fear. Who are now no yet bush your fear dangerous. Copper behind dying. Uncle. Or Beja Jamian now. Tio. Verse 5 4. Now then who can farm the year? Now one me I have one call. One flesh, the verse 6 was the engineer on nothing yet be ha me better baby, you see. Munya me be a tim papa munio. Mini pedia bakupa hold it to an hour didn't know how to me. To see I also was a more akosia any who could come. One flesh. See, they will be warrior, then they couldn't make the year no ding at all. That's a 1 day and a cobamo. One flesh. And you know, what Nipabiabaco, what do we need to know? Yankupo, whom some way about Cope. And you know, this will and this Woyere no ba po de a na yem pa wo mu mienu. Je pa one flesh o, je pa wo mu mienu a, wo fa no e gina ho a wo nya nipa bi. Je pa wo mienu ewu na beba. Ti no se jisu owu na be separate wo no. Woyere wu a wo kwanse ware fufu. Ukun wa wo kwanse ware fufu. Na sa tian wo bu tia sere de. O ko bata be ma foforo ho e be foro ware senfo. You have Romans chapter 7, verse 2 to 4. You have read this here. Romans chapter 7, verse 2 to 4. So couldn't tiase. And now we tiase. Now the who come back to Oba for, and now Oba the who come back to Bema for one. You better for what is sent for. Tio. Ya de bi mka say na say Oba nso ko ba dwama ye because Yesu aka say enye dwama monti na obi ja na area. Won tiase. Oba warefo omo adwama yo ato se ya ware oba ne tia ware mu no wode ne ho ko bata be ma foforo ho a wo be frɛ no o ware saifo mo ya caution unya nya oba ne ho ade amanfo nyina hu se mo hisa ware ya ko John chapter 4 ne se ho no be ma no ko fa ba foforo na oba ne fa ba foforo a wo kwa se uja no because ye nya nya ho ade as amanfo hu mu se mo ya ware for but un hisa ware obi fa no ho nka obi wo kwa se uja caution time. But a one day in your bum, Eman Kupo, Malaki 2, verse 40. Who be Jinamu dance for say, pa, there's no boss. Was it this who? Romans chapter 7, verse 2. Was it Oba, or Sedi Kunu, or so Kunu, Asia de, or Bow so Prase, to pay our own order? Was it? What the Mrata Asa Okunu, to do Kunachi? Was it Brow Tiasiano? Nase Okunu, Ewa, Tirio. Okunu no wa no wasan na fi okunu no emra no verse 3 enti okunu na so tiase no so de no ko bata bare ma foforo ho a oba frɛ no ware saifo oba frɛ no ware saifo wonye dwamanfo ware saifo enti oba ho ware ne ba dwaman de o ware no e ware saifo enti ware saifo so ko bo nsam gim di ma men ka yansi verse 6 go on verse 6 Matthew chapter 19 verse 6. The man was here at myself. Many of the papa because Ghana has a here. A double couple evangelist for more sorry Castle Jawar said. Matthew chapter 19. A radio who am upon a father to be that. We are saying. We are saying, beard or pet, said the Awarian or panel. The Matthew 19 have a session from Remy. Was it empty? Now I'm not so young, you will. No, where you will not call one flesh. And the young go on the abominable. And now only Pabia the king, let no man put asunder, let no magistrate, let no cashier, let no man. And now be Pabia the king, Timamia, we are nipa, so I say, I didn't be good now, come on something. Papa, we are nipa, so I say, I'm Musunta, I didn't be good, coaching. And now only Pabia the king, magistrate, you can't cause divorce. That's the Bible. And now, the Onyanko the abominable. Let no man put asunder. Ha, I work in the bonfire. The show and the choir on the move to me to do us my brain. What the bonfire said the president be our warrior. No man could talk on subject and I'm a warrior. Miss Seven what don't say. Will be our Janukum about the Miss Sokanakuma man is Uncle Wa. Will be our Jani. God break that person back. Robin Concoy. Nankwana say, Robin will move feet, Roman Cotomo something. But that was so to me.
Asole.